Hey, welcome back. Attempt 101. Try to cut out some positive letters for a bush hog we're building where I work. The naming it after a boss is a pretty good old fart. Let's see if I can do this. I'm new at this. Maybe you can learn from my mistakes, but you sure ain't gonna learn from how I'm doing anything. Pedro Matic. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's see here. Inches. Let's click on that arrow. Negative 18 to 18. That's 36 inches. That's a little too big. Let's click on letter. Tab 2. See how big that is. Negative 9, 10, 19 inches. That's a little better. Let's see. 5,000. 5,000. I can space this out. I'm going to weld it on the bush hog, so don't matter about that. Let's do 0.25. Good. I'm sure somebody smart knows how to put that zero over here in the corner, but I'm not smart. So let's drag it. Okay, it's 28 inches. Should work. It's almost 2 inches tall. I like that pretty good. Got an arrow, see. Put a box over the whole thing just to make sure. Object to path. Save as. Drawing. Pedro. Save. Okay, now we'll go. This is Inkscape. Now we'll go to. Okay, we're in SheetCam. Let's load a file. Import drawing. Drawing Pedro. Open. Okay. Red on the outside, yellow on the inside cuts. That's correct. That's operation. Import operation outside offset. Okay. Let's do inside. Inside. Something's not right. So let's go. Inside, outside. This operations plasma cut. Layer black. Layer black. Okay. So that's good now. Let's go to outside. Let's just delete operation. Delete operation. Delete operation. Say black. Inside offset. Laid in arc. Laid out. All this is preset. You have to load your tools for the plasma curve you got. Cut path. Start on that outside corner. Yeah. Okay, so that checked good. You seen if it checked red, you gotta go. You ain't got something marked right. Let's do the outside. Outside black. Cut. Yeah. Cut this. Okay. Let's say basics. Yes, let's see. Okay. Cut path. Okay. Outside. Let's see the inside again here. Okay, let's run post processor. Save. Joe. Jason. Save. Okay. My letters have been too skinny, and somebody can comment down below. Gone pretty wide, but they end up smaller. My plasma table for making positives. Now, if he's making negatives, it'll still be skinny. So, somebody comment down below what I'm doing wrong. So, let's go to fire control and upload this, and we'll try this again. Okay, now we're on fire control. Let's see if we can upload drawing. There it is. Open. There's that. Where can I cut that out? Okay. Got my sheet moved around. Let's jog this. On the middle. And hopefully won't have much waste. Okay. 0 all work axis. Work 0. Do a dry run. That's enough. I believe that we're good to go. I got enough room. Go to 0. So let's fire this off and see if I can catch what falls out with a magnet, or I'll be fishing. Well, you gotta click it off that dry run. Go to 0. Okay, now let's start. Well, I've got them fished out of the waterbed. Finally got what I wanted cut out. It took a few attempts, but this whole thing's a learning curve for me. I'm 42-year-old. Can't remember stuff like I used to. I don't know, it's just... And it's something that you... I about got to fool with every day, or you forget what I did learn. It seems like, just like I forgot to put the R and O in here. But hopefully this helps and you learn what not